Good morning, friends. So, welcome to Ram CR Guru YouTube classes. Okay, so today my topic is number analogy worksheet. Some model sums I want to explain you. Okay, so first of all, what is the definition of analogy? So, what is the analogy means? See, simply it is nothing but similarity or similar relationship. Similar relationship. Okay, so similarity or similar relationship. So what is the example? Suppose if it is A is to B, so it is one ratio. A is nothing but first term and B is nothing but second term. So is as. So C is to what will come? C is to D will come. So if it is A and B are successive letters and C and D are also successive letters. But here what is the principles you need to apply? So in the same principle will apply for in the second ratio. So that is nothing but similarity or similar relationship. So that is nothing but number analogy. Analogy. So suppose if it is involving numbers, so means 1 is to 2 is as, 3 is to dash means it is 4. Involving numbers means that is called as number analogy. Involving letters are nothing but that is called as letter analogy. So based on the number analogy, I want to explain you some method. Okay, in the first question, 10 is to 30 is as 350 is to dash. Okay, suppose, so how we'll get this means, for example, if this 10 and 30, so it is very nearby any squares or cubes. Once you need to observe, the 10 is nearby square cube of 2 and the square of 3 will be, but 30 is nothing but square of 5. Okay, square of 5 and as well as cube of 3 will be there. So based on that, so first of all, for example, this 10 can be written as, shall I write like this, 2 cube plus 2, and again 30 can be written as 3 cube plus 3. You will get one relation now. 2 cube plus 2 and 3 cube plus 3 means that is nothing but n cube plus n relation. And again here 2 and 3 are called as successive primes. Okay, so similarly if it is 350 can be written as, suppose if it is nearby cube is 7 no? 7 cube plus 7 only no? So 2 next consecutive prime number is 3. 7 next consecutive prime number is what? So that is 11 no? So 11 cube plus 11. How much it is 11 cube? 11 cube is nothing but 1331 plus 11. How much it is? 1342. So that is fourth one is the option. So 1342. So 7 and 11 are called as successive primes. Okay, so it is very important sum. Okay, but in the number analogy, so these type of sums will expecting from competitive exams. Okay. So next second question. So 990 is to 1010 is as dash is to 524 options are given. No? So friends, so small reminder for you. So till now who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And so the total completely, but in the previous exams model questions I will explain. Okay, so it is useful for any competitive exams. So complete video must and should watch everybody. Okay, so then you will get one clarity about number analogy. And again I request friends, so in this video I am giving one target for you. Okay, so complete this video 100 subscribers, new subscribers, and 1000 views for 1 week target. Please encourage me definitely, but within 1 week. Okay, so please encourage me and share to your friends also. Okay, so now I will explain the second question. So 990 is to 1010 is as dash is to, so 520. So suppose if it is 990, so under 1010. So these are nearer by, these two numbers are nearer by 1000 only, no? So 1000 is nothing but 10 cube only, no? So now your 1000 minus 10 will be 1000 plus 10 will be. So then you will get the clarity. So now 990 means that is nothing but 10 cube minus 10, and again 1010 is nothing but it is 10 cube plus 10. So this one is nothing but n cube minus n is to n cube plus n relation will be, no? So first of all it is there in the which relation, first you need to observe. So definitely you will get more. So now if it is 520 means it is nearer by. So this is in which cube? Which cube means that is nothing but it is nothing but 8 cube, no? So 8 cube will be 8 cube is nothing but 512. So plus 8 will be. Suppose if it is in the same logic, your 8 cube minus 8 I want. So 8 cube is nothing but 512. So minus 8 is nothing but 504. So that answer will be 504, option 2. So first of all you need to observe. Third question is 2:6 is as 13 is to dash. Okay. So very simple. First of all, if it is 2 will be there, no? So how will get 6? Okay, but actually 2 into 3 will be. Suppose if it is into 3 means 13 into 3, 39 is not there. What will happen? And again here if it is 2 is there, so 2 square plus 2, 2 square plus 2, 6. So similarly 13 square plus 13, 13 square is 116, 169 plus 13. So won't get in the 3-digit number. So then which one? So next it is nearer by that 6 is nearer by 2 cube, now. So then if it is 2 and the 6 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 minus 2. So now it is in which relation? So n is to n cube minus n relation will be. N is to n cube minus n relation. So now suppose if it is 13, so then again here 13 cube minus 13. 13 cube minus 13. If it is what is 13 cube? So 13 cube minus 13. So what will get here? Here it is nothing but 2184 will come. So 13 cube is nothing but 2197 minus 13 will be. So that's why 7 minus 3 is 4, 8, 2184. So that's why 2184 is the answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. Clear everybody? 4:80 is as 6:. So 4 options are given. So what will happen now? Suppose if it is, you will take 4. So that 4 nearby 80 means what is the relation? If it is 4 cube is 64. Okay, 4 cube is 64. So 4 cube means that 64 nearby will be there. So now this can be written as directly you will get the relation. So if it is 4 cube 64 plus how much is left again? 80 minus 64 is nothing but 16. 16 square in the sense 4 square only, no? So you will get the relation now. So now here this is nothing but n is to n cube plus n square relation. So this is the relation between them. N is to n cube plus n square. It's very simple you will get, but how will do this? 4. So this 80 is nearby 4 cube, 64. 64 plus remaining is 16. 16 can be written as 4 square. So that's why I got n is to n cube plus n square relation children. Okay, then next now if it is 6 and again next 6, so next what we will get here? 6 cube plus 6 square. 6 cube is nothing but 216. 6 square is nothing but 36. So 6 plus 6 is 12 and again it is 5, 2. So 252 is the result. That option 2 is correct. See friends, once again I am telling you, so when you are doing for the mental ability problems, must and should you have to prepare 1 to 50 squares thoroughly, 1 to 30 cubes thoroughly, 1 to 20 must. Okay, so based on, and next again prime numbers, 1 to 100 prime numbers also. So these 3 things you keep it in your mind. So randomly daily one time you have to prepare. So definitely you will get, see, once observe any sum, either cubes, squares, primes relation, that relation. Okay friends, next 5th question, 135 is to 160 and 1925 is to dash. So very simple. So actually, but in this big type of number, these two numbers are nearby. Nearby 135, 160 means very nearby value will be there. Okay. Suppose if it is 135, any nearby square, 144. Nearby 160 means 169 will be there. Now 144 something, and again 144 minus will come, and again so different values will come. Okay. Now simply, if it is 135, suppose I am taking n. So next here 160 means n plus 135 plus 135 plus how much will get? Suppose if it is the 25, n is to n plus n is to n plus 25 relation. So you can apply for this. But here also, if it is this n is to again n plus 25 is nothing but 1925 is not plus you will get 25. Okay, you will get 25. So that is 1950. So option 1 is the correct. So that is very simple sum. There is no logic in between them. Okay. So first you need to observe, but whether it is any logic will be there, or the other any difference. Sixth one is this is different model sum, means that values are there in the binary. Binary means already I told you the numbers are involving only 0 and 1. So first of all, using this binary, so convert into normal numerical values. So then what is the relation in between them? First you need to identify. Okay. So first of all, if it is 1 1 will be there, means first in this binary change into numerical values, means first in the unit digit take 2 power of 0 and 2 power of 1. If it is 2 power of 1 into 1, how much? That is nothing but 2. 2 power of 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So then that value will become 3. Suppose if it is similarly here 2 power of 0 apply, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube. So zeros, if you are zeros are multiplying anything, you will get 0, no? So next here 2 cube means 8 into 1 is nothing but 8 plus 2 power of 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. That is nothing but 9. So that's why this one can be written as 3 is to 3 square will come, no, relation. 3 is to 3 square relation will come. So in the same like that, but how will get this? Suppose if it is 101 means, suppose if it is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1 and again 2 square. Okay, if it is 2 square means here what will get here? 4 into 1. 4 plus again 0 cancel. 2 power of 0 is 1 and 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So then you will get 5. If it is 5 will get means next time what I want? 25 I want. So that is nothing but your relation is 5 is to 5 square relation I want. See, if I want 25 means what is the answer is suitable answer. So I want 25 means which option is suitable. So first each option you need to check. So first of all, option 1 apply 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power of 4. So these zeros will cancel. 2 power of 4 is 16 plus 2 cube is 8 plus 2 power of 0 is 1. So that is nothing but how much will get? So this one will get 25 means then option 1 is correct. So 1 1 0 0 1. So this model is this is binary type of analogy. Okay. So number analogy that is binary system. Clear everybody? I hope everybody understood this. So next one more sum I wanted. So next seventh question is, see one more model of binary method analogy. See, very simple here 1101. No, first of all that 1101 binary value convert into numerical value. So how will get means so this one is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, so 2 power of 3. If it is cancelled with 0, so what will happen? 2 cube means 8 into 1 is nothing but 8 plus 2 square is 4 into 1 is nothing but 4. Here 2 power of 1 and 2 power of 1 and 2 into 0 anything value will become 0. So 2 power of 0 value is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. How much it is? This value will get 13. 1 3, 13 will get. So next similarly, if it is next second value, apply 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power of 4. 0 0 0, this will be cancelled. 2 power of 4 is 16 into 1 is nothing but 16 plus 2 power of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So that value will become 17. So 13 and 17, what is the relation between them? Means these two are prime numbers, no? These two are prime numbers with successive primes. successive primes, these two are. So in the same relation, just you observe, here 1 0 will be there, no? So what is the value of this? To apply 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 1 into 1 means that value will become 2, again this value will become 0, that is nothing but 2. So this is successive prime numbers 13, 17. So 2 next successive prime number is what? 3. 2 next successive prime number is 3. So in which option is we will get 3? Once we need to observe. Okay, first option, option 1, apply 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square. 0 cancel, 2 square into 4, 4 into 1 is nothing but 4, plus 2 power of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is nothing but 1, so 5. So that's the first option is wrong, option 1 is wrong. So next go for option 2, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 1 into 1 is nothing but 2, plus 2 power of 0 into 1 is nothing but 1, so that is 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So option 2 is correct, that value will become 1 1. So this is about binary method. Clear? But 6th and 7th sum once we need to observe. So based on these methods, in competitive exams they will. So next friends, 8, 9, 10. So very easy questions. See, first you observe here 25 is to 52. Means 2, 5, 2, 5. Digits are reverse, you will get 52 or not. And again next to 6, 3. Digits are reverse means what will get 3, 6. So that's the option 4 is the answer. And next 9th one is, so 13 is to 10. And again 52 is to dash. So this identification is little bit tougher. Okay, if it is 13 will be there. But if it is 13, difference is 3 will be. If it is difference is 3 means 49. So 49 is not their answer. So then what will happen? So first of all, but here you need to observe, but here what are the digits? But here 1 and 3 will be there. 1 and 3. Suppose if it is here 1 and 3 will be there, no. So if it is 1 and 3, suppose if it is 1 square plus 3 square, once you observe, 1 square plus 3 square. 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is 9. 1 that is nothing but 10 only, no. So similarly for the same principle you can apply here. 5 square plus 2 square. So 5 square is how much? 25. 25 plus 4 is nothing but 29. So answer is that. So fourth option is correct. Clear? So next 10th sum is very simple. So 13 by 17 is to 23 by 29 is as 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is to dash. So simply once you observe here 13, next consecutive prime number is 17. So next, but here 23 consecutive prime number is 29. But here one of the logic 13, 17, next 23, 29, in between 19 prime number is missing. 19 prime number is missing. So similar way, if it is 3 and 5 are called as successive primes. So next here, that successive prime number is 7 is missing. Next 7, next what is the successive prime? 11 by next successive prime is 13. So 11 by 13 is the answer. Here logic is successive prime numbers ratio only, but in middle one of the successive prime is missing. So that is the logic. Okay.